if you're starting a food truck, food business, any type of food business, if you do not know your numbers, you need to watch this video. If I were to ask you, or anybody were to ask you, how much does the burger on your menu cost you? And you have no idea, and you're probably guessing at your pricing, or you're basing it off what others are doing, or even worse yet, you're just doing it based on it sounds good. If you're using any of those methods or strategies, they are not good strategies. And what you really need to do is price everything out so that you know how to price to profit. Because what good is selling a burger for 10 bucks if it doesn't make us any money? It's literally costing us money. When pricing our menu, there are many variables to consider, but we're going to start with just first understanding the numbers and how we can actually use this information eventually to price our menu items. So we're going to use the example of a chili stew recipe. We're going to do the bulk or like a batch version of it. Now, I'm not going to include every single ingredient in this recipe because there are about 20 plus that I have here from a student who is working on this food cost for this batch recipe. So we're going to go over maybe like the first 5 to 6 ingredients. So what we're going to work with is we have pork, and then in this recipe we use 3.5 pounds of pork, and we have white beans. Now in this recipe we use 8 ounces of white beans. Let's do the chicken stock. Now I want to use a few different ingredients that have different like units that we're using. Diced onion. So in this recipe they use 12 ounces. Oh, I forgot the chicken stock. So chicken stock they use 2.5 quarts. Now let's also do, let's see here, let's do something with tablespoons salt. So with the salt they use 1 tablespoon. Now the next step is we want to understand the actual price for that item. Like if we go to the grocery store and buy the pork, how much did it cost us? Well, with meat it's typically priced per pound, right? So with this example, for the pork it costs $1.49 per pound. For the white beans it is 40 cents per pound. The chicken stock is $6 per gallon. For the onion, we're looking at 35 cents per pound. And then let's see here. The salt, we're looking at 38 cents per pound. We want all of our units to match up. So for the pork, we're using 3.5 pounds. Price per unit is in pounds. When you look at the white beans, for example, we have ounces and then we have pounds when looking at pricing. We have quarts, we have gallons, we have ounces and pounds, tablespoon and pounds. For me, really important for you to understand some of the basic like translations between units. So for example, we know we'll do a little key box down here that are units. So we know in 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. What we want to do is translate this 8 ounces into pounds. Use your calculator if you have it. 8 ounces is really equivalent to half a pound, so 0.5. 2.5 quarts to gallons is really 0.6 to 5 gallons. And the 12 ounces to pounds really is 0.75 pounds. And then 1 tablespoon of salt to pounds. Now, you might see that sometimes ingredients aren't like a perfect conversion based on the type of ingredient when we're going from liquid to like measuring cups, for example. But for sake of simplicity, 1 tablespoon to pounds is about 0.04 pounds. Now, once we have all of this, all the recipe quantities and the price per unit, what you want to do next is multiply these two numbers. By multiplying these numbers, what this is going to give us is the price. For example, a price tag for all the pork that we're using in the chili stew. We're also going to get a price for all the white beans that we use in the stew. 3.5 pounds times the $1.49 per pound, which gives us $5.22. Now what this means is we are spending $5.22 for 3.5 pounds of pork in that batch of chili stew. So then you're going to go down the list. And what you're going to do is add up all these numbers. This number is going to give us the price and ingredients total for making that entire batch of stew. So add up all these numbers here. So the cost for this batch recipe is $9.45. Now, if we want to get a price per serving, we know that this chili stew, let's say it gives us 10 servings. So what you're going to do is take this $9.45 and divide it by 10 servings, which gives us 0.94 cents. So every serving of this chili stew is 94 cents. Stay tuned for part 3 of becoming a food truck owner. In that part 3, we're going to go over all things pricing your menu.